Because your business can't afford to stop, every Mercedes-Benz van comes with MobiloVan, free, dedicated roadside assistance for businesses. In the unlikely event that your Mercedes-Benz van breaks down, simply call MobiloVan Roadside Assistance.
Good afternoon, Mercedes-Benz. Paul speaking. How can I help?
Got a problem with my van. It's gone into severe limp mode, saying check coolant, switch off engine.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Let's get you sorted out.
I was on my way to a customer for a call out.
Right, I'm going to get in touch with the nearest technician right now for you, and I'll find out the response time for you, and then we'll get back to you with the arrival time.
Every second counts. We'll locate the nearest authorized Mercedes-Benz dealer to your vehicle, wherever you are in Europe, and arrange for a senior technician to attend. Our average response time is under 60 minutes.
Within about 30 minutes?
Amazing, that's great.
And no one is better placed to get you moving again faster. We only respond to Mercedes-Benz call-outs. Our diagnostic equipment is specifically designed for Mercedes-Benz vans, making diagnosis more accurate. And all vans are fully stocked with Mercedes-Benz genuine parts. All of which means we have a roadside repair rate of 80%. But on the rare occasions that we can't get you moving straight away, we'll transport you to your nearest Mercedes-Benz dealer, where your van will receive priority attention, and any parts required not already in stock will be expedited, with 94% available within 24 hours. You'll be given a replacement vehicle where possible, or a choice of onward travel or accommodation if necessary. Roadside or in our workshops, our priority is to get you moving again as quickly as possible.
Good evening, Mercedes 24. How can I help you?
Lights have come on.
Just make sure you're standing somewhere safe for me, please.
I'm already running late.
No
I really
idea
appreciate
where I am.
help.
I don't know, a load of lights.
I'm sorry.
Some fool's gonna knock my
really
window
important
out.
I made this delivery to my customer. Thanks.
I've got a load on here that I need to
It's
transfer.
best just to ring.
thought
I
you
don't
were
really know
Make
what's
sure you're
going
standing
on.
somewhere safe for me, please.
I've got 8 school children with me
Don't
here.
worry, we will get you sorted.